Huawei sub-brand Honor is reportedly confirmed to launch Honor X10 smartphone soon in China. The Honor X series is known for launching budget phones, and the Honor X10 should be no different in that aspect. It's believed to be the cheapest 5G phone from the company, with the price in the same range as its predecessor Honor 9X. Now, if you have noticed the name, it doesn't feel right, because previously we have seen Honor 6X, 7X, 8X and 9X, but suddenly company decided to name this as Honor X10. The reason for the change is to avoid confusion. It's said to have made the change so that the name is not confused with Xiaomi's rumored Redmi 10X. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to the specification side of things. The said smartphone has been found listed on Chinese regulatory website TENAA and MIIT, giving us the outline of specs and even the images. The display for this phone will be a 6.63-inch IPS LCD of 2400 x 1080p resolution. Taking a look at the images, there doesn't seem to be a notch of any kind. This could mean it might come with a pop-up selfie camera like Honor 9X. Interestingly, Samsung is also working on a new smartphone with a pop-up selfie camera mechanism, so things are looking different in smartphone industry, and I think people are happy with this change. The device houses a minimum rated battery of 4200 mAh capacity and a 22.5 watt fast charging support. Powering the phone will be the latest Kirin 825G chipset. This Kirin 825G is definitely one of the most powerful processors Huawei has ever made, and no Qualcomm mid-range chipset can hold its own against it. This processor also goes head-to-head against last year's flagship chipsets. About cameras, it comes with a quad camera setup within a rectangular shape and also houses LED flash. We don't know the specifications, but you can subscribe now and we will let you know once we come to know more about this. Also, the Chinese firm may unveil Honor X10 Pro alongside it, which will probably be a flagship 5G phone. Other details include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which will also act as a power button. More details should be available as we get close to the launch of Honor X10 5G, which is reportedly happening in the month of May. So that's it for today. Meet you in the next one. Peace out.